Did you know that you can use HighLevel to turn Facebook and Instagram comments into leads for your business? This is an awesome feature because this will allow you to utilize the power of social media and convert your audience into leads. Let me show you how it works. Before anything, navigate to settings and then integrations in your sub account and make sure that your Facebook and Instagram are both lit up and connected in settings. Now, once that's confirmed, we can build our automation. First, with a trigger that turns our Facebook and Instagram comments on our posts into leads. We can do this either on Facebook or Instagram or both within the same automation. All we have to do is select our trigger, select the page, and then we can customize this trigger with our filters from the type of post that it is. We can even select the specific post from here, which will import a list of all of your recent posts on Facebook and Instagram. And we can add more filters like contains phrase or exact match, which will allow us to use keywords in order to designate which leads we're going to put into this automation. So for this trigger, whenever somebody comments on our Facebook post on this page with the word lead, then what's going to happen is it's going to trigger this automation. And we can do lots of things with this automation. The first thing that we can do is reply in comments, which will be able to turn them into a lead by getting them into our CRM. And the other really powerful action that we can use is either the Facebook or the Instagram interactive messenger. Keep in mind, if you want to use both, make sure you have both triggers. So the Facebook interactive messenger action will only be able to be used with the Facebook comments on a post trigger. And with this action, all we have to do is reply to a comment via a DM, which whenever somebody comments that word lead, we can then DM them, and we can even use custom fields in this DM. Additionally, there's further customizations you can do to this action, like adding buttons, which will allow our user to interact with us in Facebook or Instagram. And we can also add quick replies, which will allow our contact to select a message that will automatically send based on a small call to action that they'll see under the Facebook or Instagram interactive messenger. Then, just like that, we can save our action, turn this workflow to publish, and then we will be good to go. I'd highly encourage you use and customize workflows like this with Facebook and Instagram, so you can turn any comments that come through any of your social posts automatically into leads. You can even incorporate things like AI, internal notifications, and notes to automatically nurture your lead using Facebook and Instagram. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.